Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's probably a pair of shoes from Foot Locker. So let's go ahead and dive into it. I'm not sure it's the Easy or the Nike or whatever, so could be anything. So this will be a surprise. Alright, so this is another pair of Air Jordan. Let's see. So let's give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. On the top of the cover, you got the Nike Go Air Jordan Jumpman. Nothing on this side. The box kind of messed up. There's a cut opening here, half circular, and another Go Jumpman right there. Nothing on this side. So go ahead and check out the bottom. So it says the box is made in China, and you got the recycle symbol right there. And then on the side, you got the Jumpman Nike ink. And then the rectangular box logo sticker. Let's go ahead and check over here. Got the number 23 right here. And then a cutout opening right here again. Let's go ahead and zoom in on this. So this one's the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. It's a white laser orange dash black, size 8.5. Retail price on this is $125. And this one's made in China. Let's go ahead and check out the barcode. Let's go ahead and check out the shoes. You got two of these stamps. One is with the number, the other one is like pass, quality control. And then you got the dimension right here for the box. Got the number 23 on the tissue paper. Wow. So you got like a golden stitch right there on top of the outline on the tongue. And you got the gold Jumpman. You got the green suede right here. And then right there as well. There's like a yellow Air Wing logo right here. And this is like a vinyl right here. And throughout the eye stay section. Also on the front of the toe box right here. And then on the outsole you got the green with the Nike swoosh. And wrapping around you got this like a tarp around this back of the heel cuff is in the suede material as well. And then the Nike swoosh logo, this is vinyl. Let's go and take out the shoes tree. Again, got the zhi in the Chinese, and then the Jumpman, and then those two recycle symbol, QF-AL, A to 8.5, and again you got the die cut suckliner. Yeah, I need to turn on the flash to see the inside. So here's with the flash on, and it says men's size 8.5. You got the gold Jumpman on the insole. Go and focus on this size label. And it is made in China. Got the glossy tip. And then here's the other side. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. Got the glossy air wing logo right there. In the box, you got this YDM, and you got the dimension of the box right here. And that's it. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.